Let's make this African drop donut recipe for a birthday party. This was perfect and very delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please, you will love it here. So stick with me. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted, okay? I am so grateful that always you spend some time with me. I just don't want to waste much of your time. Let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my 2 tablespoons of butter. I melted it and that is how it looks. I've added my ½ cup of sugar. I'll go ahead and then mix it very well until the sugar is almost dissolved. Now, the next ingredient we are going to add is my eggs, okay? Add any quantity of eggs and you are good to go. You can actually make this without eggs as well. I have a recipe that I did not add eggs to it, which I will be sharing very soon on the other channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please subscribe for more videos there and then here, okay? So mix it very well. Now I'll go ahead and then add about 4 tablespoons of milk. So in all, we use 3 eggs. Now mix everything very well till it becomes uniform. I will then add a tablespoon of vanilla, 1.5 cups of soy milk or soya milk, anyhow you call this. Mix it very well. You can use any milk of choice. If you are using only evaporated milk, you can dilute it with water, okay? You can use only water as well. Now I have added 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour. Now add a tablespoon of baking powder, and as you can see, that is the only that I have. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of raisin, and that is what you are seeing. We are going to mix everything, and if I want to add something again, I will let you know. But before we mix it, I will then add my salt. That is a pinch of salt, okay? I'll add a pinch of salt and then mix it very well. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So please do not make it the last time of visiting, because we share easy and quick recipes here which you will love them. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Yes, interested ones, you will love them. And my returning ones, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you once again. Mix it, and after mixing, this is how it is looking now. It is not well combined, so we will make sure we combine everything. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Just look at that, so perfect. Now we have our oil on fire, and this is how we are going to drop our donuts in the oil. You make sure the oil is not too high and it is not very low as well. You can see it yourself that the oil is not very hot, okay? Yes, so make it that way so that you can get the perfect donut you are looking for, so that the inside can fry perfectly without burning. Now I will drop everything, and when we are done, I will show you how the outcome looks like. We share detailed quick recipes, short videos, like a minute or less videos on our TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short. Please follow us there and you will love it. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and we share the recipes in 3 languages. Please follow that channel on YouTube at Recipe Goddess. You will love it. Make sure you keep an eye on it so that it will not burn, okay? Now this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and then flip it very well. Make sure we get that perfect outcome we are looking for. You can see some parts are not brown. You make sure you turn it very well to get uniform color if you want it like mine. Okay, yeah, this was absolutely nice and delicious, and the sugar was perfect. Please do not add more or do not subtract some from it. If you want to get it just like the way we sell on the roadside, just use the same ingredients as I did, and you will come here and give me perfect feedback. Please let me see your comments in the comment section after watching this video, and share to others, like the video, and I'll be very grateful. At this moment it is ready, but as I told you earlier, we want the color to be uniform, so I will keep on turning it till we get to that outcome. If you want to prepare this without the raisin, okay, please, you can do it without that. I have a recipe that I did not add the raisin, so you can go through my videos and please check it out. You will love it. Now our donut is ready. I'll go ahead and then remove it from the oil. Trust me, the teachers and then the students who enjoy this recipe or this donut gave me positive feedback. It was my daughter's birthday, and this was one of the things I prepared for her classmates and then the teachers. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Till I come your way next time, please do not forget to take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and subscribe to this channel, share to others, like the video, leave me your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye-bye.